In this video we will discuss about the design of conical dome. It contains the following contents: the stresses in the conical dome, design of ring beam, and the detailed drawings of conical dome. So let us start. So as we discussed in the last video of design of spherical dome, a dome consists of a cell which is generated by the revolution of a geometrical curve about an axis. So when a geometrical curve is rotated about its axis, then it makes a dome. So हम यहाँ पे बात करेंगे conical dome की. So when a triangle is revolved around a central pivot, then we get a conical dome. So here, when a triangle, when it's rotate about this axis, then it's make a 3D shape, which is known as conical dome, which can see in the following diagram. Here we can see the diagram of conical dome. This is conical shape is also known as conical dome. So let me discuss about the stresses developed in the conical dome. The first is Madonial thrust and the second one is hoop stress. So the formula for Madonial thrust is small w h by 2 into tangent theta, and the formula for hoop stress is equal to small w into h by t into tangent scale theta. So here हम सारी फॉर्मुलेशन को डिस्कस कर चुके हैं अपनी स्पेरिकल डोम में. h इज आवर राइज एंड स्मॉल w इज आवर UDL, कैपिटल W इज आवर concentrated load, and theta is the angle made by the cone. Here we can see this is the triangle which is revolved about this axis, and this angle is known as theta, and this height is known as rise small h. Okay, let us start the numerical for the design of conical dome. A conical dome has a base diameter of 9 meter. It carries a distributed load of 4900 Newton per meter and concentrated load of 9000 Newton at the vertex. And the height of dome is 4.5 meter. The design the dome use M20 concrete and Fe415 steel. So here given data is a base diameter given है हमारे पास 9 मीटर का और डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड लोड गिवन है 4900 न्यूटन का एंड कंसंट्रेटेड लोड गिवन है 9000 का. सो स्मॉल w इज 4900 and capital W is 9000 and the height of the dome is 4.5 meter. Small h की वैल्यू गिवन है 4.5 मीटर. यूज M20 concrete and Fe415 steel. FCK की वैल्यू है M20 and FI की वैल्यू है 415. So let us start the numerical. This is the diagram of conical dome. This is a cross section of a conical dome. So here height rise is given by 4.5 meter and this length is given by 9 meter. And this angle is angle theta. So here we calculate the angle theta. So angle theta is given by the triangle ABO. Here the tangent theta is given by perpendicular by base. So here perpendicular is, this is our perpendicular for this triangle 4.5 and base is this length, base is 4.5 also. So this is given by 1. Here theta is given by 45 degree. So we will calculate the secant theta. Secant theta is equal to secant 45 is given by under root 2. So these two value we will require to calculate the Madonial thrust and hoop stress. So assume a thickness of 100 mm for the dome slab. Then the Madonial thrust for the per meter at the base is given by T is equal to small w h secant square theta plus capital W secant theta upon 2 pi as tangent theta. So here all the values are given, small w h secant theta, capital W secant theta, 2 pi, small h and tangent theta. So after putting the all values, we get the value of marginal thrust 22500 Newton. So here we will convert this into compressive stress, and the stress is given by force by area, gross area of the section. Here 100 is the thickness and this is the length per meter. So the compressive stress is given by 0.225 Newton per mm square. And this similarly the hoop stress formula is given by small w h by t into tangent theta square. So after putting all the values, we will calculate the value of hoop tension. So here there is no component for the concentrated load. W के फेस में जो हमारा हुप स्ट्रेस होगा वो जीरो होगा, ठीक है। ये डेरिवेशन से हमें पता चलता है कि इसकी वैल्यू जीरो आती है। सो द हुप स्ट्रेस इज गिवन बाय, दिस इज आवर फोर्स एंड डिवाइडेड बाय एरिया. So we get the value of hoop tension, which is 2.205. So here these values are comparatively low. Only minimum steel will be provided, which is as code specification 0.3% of the gross area. So AST is given by 0.3 by 100 into 1000 into 100. So here 100 is thickness and 1000 is the per meter length, and this 100 is given for the percentage. So we will get 300 mm square AST. So use 8 mm diameter bar, and spacing is given by area of 1 bar upon total area of steel into 1000. So after putting this value, area of 1 bar, 8 mm diameter bar area divided by total area of steel into 1000, which is given as 167.55 meter. So we will use 8 mm diameter bar at the rate 160 mm center to center spacing, ठीक है। अब हम स्टार्ट करेंगे डिजाइन ऑफ रिंग बीम. सो हियर सपोज दिस इज ए वॉल on which this conical dome has been supported. So this is our dome. So here a ring beam is provided on the wall. So this is are in the circular way. So these ring beam are designed. Horizontal component of the Madonial thrust at the base is t cos theta. हॉरिजॉन्टल कंपोनेंट में हम क्या लेते हैं, cos थीटा. तो t की वैल्यू हमने निकाल दी थी 22500 इंटू cos 45. सो वी विल गेट 15,920 न्यूटन. सो हुप टेंशन ऑफ द रिंग बीम इज गिवन बाय t cos थीटा इंटू स्पैन बाय 2. तो हमारा स्पैन गिवन था 9 मीटर का, तो वैल्यू आई 4.5. सो वी गेट 71640 न्यूटन. अब हमारे पास क्या है, अब ये एक फोर्स आ चुका है. इस फोर्स की वजह से अब यहाँ पे एक स्ट्रेस की वैल्यू लेंगे, एक स्ट्रेस अलाउ करेंगे 150 न्यूटन पर mm स्क्वायर का. तो हम वहाँ से एरिया ऑफ स्टील निकाल कर लेंगे, ठीक है. एरिया ऑफ स्टील इज गिवन बाय फोर्स बाय स्ट्रेस, ठीक है. स्ट्रेस इज गिवन बाय फोर्स बाय एरिया, तो हम इनको इंटरचेंज करेंगे तो एरिया ऑफ स्टील इज इक्वल टू force by stress. So we get the value of AST 478 mm square. So provide 4 bars of 16 mm diameter bar. So the cross section of ring beam is given by like this, and the bars are provided here. 4 bars are provided here, ठीक है. रेक्टेंगुलर सेक्शन है तो उस रेक्टेंगुलर बीम में कितने बार प्रोवाइड करते हैं हम, 4. तो 4 बार हमने यूज कर लिए 16 डायमीटर बार का. तो टोटल एरिया ऑफ बार कितना आएगा मेरा, एरिया ऑफ बार निकालूंगा, उसको 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करूंगा तो आएगा मेरा 804 mm स्क्वायर. सो हेयर वी विल प्रोवाइड 804 mm स्क्वायर. Then we will determine the area of this cross section, length and breadth. So here, for calculating this area, we will calculate the equivalent area of the concrete, which is given by A plus m minus 1 into AST. ठीक है, m लेते हैं हम 280 बाई 3 सिग्मा CBC. ठीक है, वहाँ से हम m की वैल्यू कैलकुलेट कर लेते हैं. दिस इज योर टोटल एरिया ऑफ स्टील एंड A इज द equivalent area of the ring section. So sorry, A is the area of this ring beam. ठीक है, so allowing a tensile stress on the equivalent area of concrete at 1.2 Newton per mm square. So we have 1.20 is equal to, वही same चीज़ है, stress is equal to force by area. So here we get area is 49,787 mm square. So provide a ring section of 250 into 200 mm square. ठीक है, this is a complete drawing for the conical dome. Here in the ring section, the ring cross section of the given by 200 into 250 mm. ठीक है, and the bars are provided 16 mm bar, 16 mm diameter bar and number of bar 4. ठीक है, and in the slab, in the roof, we will use 8 mm diameter bar at the rate of 160 mm center to center in both direction. Thank you.